Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off email notifications on the MetaQuest Oculus app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the MetaQuest Oculus application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed with your Facebook or Instagram account, or you can also use your email address and password. Once you have been logged in, you will be taken into your homepage. Now, in order to turn off email notifications, tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner, and now you will see settings. Go ahead and tap on it, and then tap on email preference. You will now see the marketing emails as well as the user research option. There is an option to unsubscribe from all of these notifications within your email if you simply turn on this toggle. This will now turn off all of the email notifications that you are receiving within your email address. You can also manually turn on or turn off the individual kinds of notifications by tapping on them and using the toggle. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off email notifications on your MetaQuest Oculus account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.